In this video, I'll guide you through how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. If you've been missing important messages because they keep landing in your spam folder, don't worry. I'll walk you through a simple way to tell Gmail that a message is safe, so similar emails are more likely to go straight to your inbox in the future. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account in your web browser. You can do this on a computer or in a browser on your phone or tablet. The steps are basically the same. Once you're in Gmail, you'll see your main inbox with your messages listed in the center and a menu along the left side. Next, you need to open the spam folder. If you don't see it right away in the left-hand menu, look for an option that says More and click it. This expands the list and shows additional folders. Among them, you should see one labeled Spam. Go ahead and click on Spam to open it. In the Spam folder, you'll see all the emails that Gmail has filtered out as potential junk or unwanted messages. Sometimes, though, Gmail gets it wrong and sends legitimate emails here by mistake. Scroll through the list and find the email that you know is safe and that you don't want to be treated as spam. Once you've located that email, click on it to open it. Take a quick look at the contents to confirm that it's something you recognize and actually want to receive. It might be from a person you know, a service you signed up for, or a company you trust. This is important because you should only move messages you're confident are legitimate. If anything looks suspicious, it's better to leave it in spam or delete it. When you're sure the email is safe, look towards the top of the message window. You'll see a few buttons and options. One of them will say Not Spam. Click on that button. As soon as you do, Gmail will remove the email from the spam folder and move it into your inbox. By marking the email as not spam, you're also helping train Gmail's filters. Over time, Gmail learns from these actions, so messages from that sender or messages that look similar are less likely to be sent to spam in the future. This doesn't guarantee that nothing will ever go to spam again, but it greatly improves the chances that important emails will reach your inbox. After you click Not Spam, you can go back to your inbox to confirm the message is there. If you want, you can also add that sender to your contacts, which gives Gmail another signal that you trust emails coming from them. You can repeat this process for any other legitimate emails you find in your spam folder. The more you do this, the more accurate your spam filtering becomes. Just remember to stay cautious and only mark messages as not spam when you're sure they're safe. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail by checking your spam folder, opening the message, and marking it as not spam.